CME Blackout. Traders cry manipulation after 10-hour halt freezes markets. CME Group. Derivatives. The 10-hour outage halted price discovery, locked traders in positions, and sparked accusations of manipulation across social platforms. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 2 minutes ago. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange faced one of its most disruptive trading incidents in years after a cooling failure at a major Illinois data center forced a halt that stretched for roughly 10 hours, freezing markets across multiple regions and igniting accusations of manipulation from frustrated traders. CME confirmed that trading stopped because of a cooling system malfunction at the CyrusOne-operated facility in Aurora, a site that has served as the backbone of CME's Globex electronic markets for nearly 2 decades. The exchange restored full functionality at 1:30 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated on Friday, but the interruption had already rippled through Asia and Europe, where participants were dealing with thin post-Thanksgiving liquidity. CME outage on thin Thanksgiving liquidity sparks questions from traders. During the outage, traders across asset classes, equities, currencies, commodities, energy, and crypto, reported being unable to close or adjust positions, a scenario that several described as a nightmare. One stock trader, Timothy Bosman, publicly accused CME of allowing a simple issue to cripple the entire futures complex, questioning how all major markets could be taken offline by a single point of failure. Others went further, suggesting that the timing was too convenient, given that the halt arrived during the low-volume Asia session on Thanksgiving, when sudden price moves can unfold with limited resistance. Some traders pointed out that silver futures were approaching a record high near $54 just minutes before prices froze, adding fuel to the speculation and frustration. The outage was widespread because the Globex platform handles the majority of CME's volume. An earlier Cryptonews report stated that crude and palm oil markets stopped moving during the halt, while crypto traders saw Bitcoin and Ethereum futures go offline entirely. The timing added complexity for firms preparing month-end rolls, particularly those needing to adjust Treasury futures or SOFR-linked positions. Several traders later noted that even after markets reopened, delays continued in Treasury futures and certain rate products. Trading activity had already been muted due to the U.S. Thanksgiving holiday, but the outage further slowed an already quiet session. One user on X publicly urged CME to cancel losses for trades affected during the freeze, reflecting the broader anxiety of traders locked into moving markets with no ability to act. CME suffers major outage as it prepares shift to 24/7 crypto trading in 2026. CyrusOne, which operates more than 55 data centers globally and is backed by KKR and BlackRock's global infrastructure partners, confirmed the cooling malfunction. The Aurora facility is well known among high-frequency trading firms that place servers as physically close as possible to CME's matching engines to shave off microseconds. The exchange acknowledged that CME Direct, a platform used for some markets, remained unavailable even after Globex reopened, showing the extent of the disruption. The incident lasted far longer than a similar 2019 CME outage, and it was the latest reminder of how centralized infrastructure can pose systemic risk in electronic markets. CME has faced technical issues in the past, including a 2014 outage triggered by a software malfunction affecting agricultural contracts. Despite the friction, markets resumed and continued adjusting to broader price movements. Bitcoin futures, which closed on Wednesday at $90,355 before the holiday, reopened at $90,940 on Friday and pushed above $93,000 later in the session as BTC rebounded from its recent low of around $80,522. Analysts noted that Bitcoin faces resistance near $95,000, but reclaiming that level could reopen the path towards six-figure territory. The blackout also comes at a moment when CME is expanding its role in the digital asset sector. In October, the exchange said it plans to move its cryptocurrency futures and options into a full 24/7 trading cycle starting in early 2026, subject to regulatory approval. The firm cited rapidly rising demand for continuous risk management in crypto markets, which never close. CME said trading will run non-stop on Globex, aside from a brief weekly maintenance window, and weekend transactions will be assigned to the next business day for clearing and settlement. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. ETF inflows aren't helping. Is something seriously wrong with Ripple right now? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP ETFs. For days ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. The data no one's watching shows XRP could outperform Bitcoin in December. 2 days ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto up today? November 26, 2025. 2 days ago, by Seed Fadil Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. For days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 5 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 7 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 16 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.